At Moon Builder LLC, we specialize in high-quality glass insulation services throughout the UAE. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we provide tailored solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial needs. Residential glass installation, windows, doors, balustrades, shower enclosures, commercial glass solutions, storefronts, curtain walls, office partition, glass canopies, specialty glass, tempered glass, laminated glass, decorative glass, energy-efficient glass. Why choose us, team? Our skilled technicians are trained to handle all types of glass installations with precision and care. Quality assurance. We use only the highest quality materials to ensure durability and safety. Competitive pricing. Get premium services at affordable rates. Timely service. We understand the importance of deadlines and guarantee timely project completion. Kindly contact us today. Call 026-736-618, WhatsApp 0565529186. Email sales@moonbuilderay.com. Visit our website, wewow.moonbuilderay.com.